So know what you're doing.
So I gotta make a screed.
Oh, so you're gonna do it right there. Oh. So you're gonna turn it the other way?
No, I wasn't going to.
This is how you get stuff done when there's only one of you to do it. And that's called thinking out of the box for an easier, better way. And it looks like what Rob's trying to set up or is figuring out is how best to get the rock that is bigger, keep it from actually going into his pile of sand. No, I figured you'd do it the other way so the big rocks would be inside.
No, and then the rocks will go down that way.
Ah, so the rocks will go,
A bit high.
oh, a bit higher, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Like another brick?
Like that.
I swear, this sit-down lawnmower slash desert tractor with the trailer has been life-saving. It truly has. And time-saving. Rob's moving around, so he's got his shirt on. I don't know really how cold he is, but he's basically working up a sweat while I'm just standing recording, and it's cold. That's 3 bricks. This way is getting it off the pickup bed and sorting it all at the same time, so that's pretty good. And this is how Rob does it. For $130 or something like that, it has come in so handy. And it has eliminated a lot of the back-breaking process of unloading a pickup bed of heavy things like rock and sand and soil and bags of cement. Things of that nature, you can just roll it off and unload it from the end instead of having to climb up into the pickup truck. So it's actually worked out pretty good. And as you can see, Rob's doing a real good job of sorting the sand. Big rocks go outside the screen, and the wash sand is, the finer sand is at the bottom here. That tool there that you can see him turning at the edge. Right there, see what he's turning? And it's turning off that sand, unloading it. And if you're wondering what we need sand for, it's to help break up our soil, our clay topsoil that we had bought. It breaks it up so the soil will drain better. And Rob will mix that soil combination that he makes in that cement mixer that's behind Rob. And can you believe, guys, that is totally plastic, basically. I could not believe it when he brought it home. $300 for a plastic cement mixer. I hope it holds up. That screen thing that Rob made, that was made from all used things that we had laying around. We had the bricks here, so those didn't cost us anything. Also, it's organic. It's the sand is runoff from all the rains. It's in the wash, and that's free for the taking. And truth be known, it probably has a whole lot more nutrients in that sand than what we've got here on the property.
Oh yeah, because it's going to come out of the wash.
Yes, it came out of the wash, exactly. So this is how Rob does it. Being one person and trying to get a job done that needs to get done, and hey, this time it worked wonderfully well. Have an amazing day, everybody.